Why did NASA, a space-exploring agency, halt their exploration of the ocean? This is a question that has intrigued many. You see, NASA's mission isn't just to explore the stars and planets beyond our own, it's to understand our world in its entirety. This includes the deep, mysterious depths of our planet's oceans. Imagine an organization known for reaching out to the vast, infinite cosmos, also delving into the deep, uncharted underbelly of our own planet. It's a fascinating juxtaposition, isn't it? The same organization that sends rovers to Mars also used to plunge into the depths of our oceans. But, somewhere along the line, NASA's ocean exploration came to a halt. The question is why? Why did an organization that is known for its limitless curiosity stop exploring the oceans, a part of our world that remains largely unexplored and unknown? To understand this better, we need to delve into the timeline of NASA's ocean exploration. NASA's involvement in ocean exploration may surprise many. However, the story of NASA's venture into the ocean depths is a fascinating one. Let's journey back to the 1960s. The space race was in full swing, and the world's eyes were turned skyward. But NASA was also looking in another direction. Down, deep into the sea. During the 60s, NASA launched a series of underwater research missions, starting with the Sea-Lab missions. These missions aimed to test the feasibility of human survival underwater for extended periods, a concept not unlike the challenges faced in space exploration. The Sea-Lab missions were successful, proving that humans could indeed live and work under the sea for weeks at a time. In the 70s, NASA continued its ocean exploration with the Tektite program. This program was specially designed to study the effects of living underwater on the human body. The research gathered from these missions was invaluable and contributed significantly to our understanding of human endurance in extreme environments. Then came the 80s, a decade known for numerous technological advancements. During this time, NASA was involved in the Hydrolab missions. These missions were geared towards studying the ocean's biology and geology, focusing on how life thrives in the ocean depths and the unique geological formations found there. The 90s saw NASA's continued interest in the ocean, with the Aquarius missions. These missions aimed to understand the effects of climate change on the ocean. Aquarius was a pioneering mission that offered crucial insights into how our planet's climate is influenced by the world's oceans. However, as we moved into the 21st century, NASA's focus started to shift. The space agency began to prioritize space exploration over its oceanic pursuits. This was a significant change in direction, and many questioned why NASA would leave the ocean behind when there was still so much to explore. But after some years, NASA's focus shifted. Let's uncover why. The shift from ocean exploration to space was not abrupt, but a gradual process. Now, let's delve into how and why the focus of NASA began to shift from the depths of our oceans to the vast expanse of outer space. It's a fascinating journey that intertwines technological advancements, budgetary constraints, and an insatiable human desire to know more about our universe. In the mid-20th century, mankind was making leaps and bounds in technology. We had just emerged from the Second World War, and the world was buzzing with new inventions and discoveries. In this backdrop, the race to space began. The challenge of reaching beyond our atmosphere, setting foot on the moon, and exploring the cosmos became the new frontier, a symbolic representation of the triumph of human intellect and innovation. This shift was further fueled by the Cold War rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union. The space race was not just about exploration, it was also about demonstrating technological superiority. NASA, established in 1958, became the spearhead of America's space ambitions. But what about the oceans? Well, the shift towards space didn't mean that we turned our backs on the seas. However, the budgetary allocation began to favor space exploration. The allure of the unknown, the excitement of space travel, and the strategic importance of mastering space technology were hard to resist. Plus, there's something captivating about the idea of exploring distant planets and galaxies. While our oceans are mysterious and fascinating, the cosmos offers a sense of infinity, a chance to find answers to questions about our existence, our place in the universe, and the possibility of life beyond Earth. Yet, it's important to remember that despite the shift in focus, ocean exploration didn't come to a halt. We didn't abandon our curiosity about the deep seas. It's just that, for a while, our gaze was drawn more towards the stars than the depths below. NASA's shift in focus does not, however, mean the ocean exploration ceased completely. Though NASA may have moved on, the ocean remains a vast and largely unexplored frontier. This has not gone unnoticed by other institutions and countries who have taken up the mantle of ocean exploration. Across the globe, we see a concerted effort to delve deeper into the mysteries of the deep blue. In the United States, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, is at the forefront of these efforts. NOAA's Office of Ocean Exploration and Research dispatches vessels equipped with state-of-the-art technology to map the ocean floor, study marine life, and investigate underwater geological features. Across the pond, the European Union has launched its own ambitious ocean exploration projects. The Horizon 2020 program, for instance, has funded invaluable research into marine ecosystems, pollution, and climate change. In Asia, China's growing influence in ocean exploration cannot be overlooked. The country has invested heavily in its deep-sea research, deploying manned submersibles to the deepest parts of the ocean. Japan, too, has made significant strides, with its Agency for Marine Earth Science and Technology conducting extensive research on ocean circulation and biogeochemical cycles. The importance of these endeavors cannot be overstated. The ocean is a key player in our planet's climate system, absorbing a large portion of the heat and carbon dioxide produced by human activity. Its health and stability are crucial to our survival. Moreover, the ocean's depths are teeming with life, much of it still unknown to us. The potential for new discoveries, from unique species to potentially life-saving pharmaceutical compounds, is immense. Finally, the ocean floor is a treasure trove of resources, from oil and gas reserves to rare minerals. Understanding how to safely and sustainably extract these resources is a pressing concern for many nations. The ocean, in all its vastness and mystery, continues to captivate us. Even as we reach for the stars, we must not forget the wonders that lie beneath the waves. As we can see, the ocean continues to captivate and intrigue us. While we reach for the stars, we must not forget the depths of our own planet. As we've seen, ocean exploration may not be NASA's primary focus, but that doesn't diminish its importance. In fact, the ocean's mysteries hold a wealth of knowledge and potential that we've only just begun to tap into. Let's consider climate change, an issue that presents a direct and immediate threat to our planet. The ocean plays a crucial role in our global climate system. It absorbs about a quarter of the carbon dioxide we produce, acting as a buffer against further warming. Furthermore, it stores more than 90% of the Earth's heat. By exploring the ocean, we can gain a better understanding of these processes and how they're changing. This knowledge could be instrumental in developing strategies to mitigate the impacts of climate change. But that's not all. The ocean is also a treasure trove of biodiversity. It's estimated that we've only discovered about 20% of the species that call the ocean home. Imagine the myriad of unknown creatures lurking in the depths waiting to be discovered. Each new species we find not only expands our understanding of life on Earth, but could also lead to new medical and technological advancements. And then there's the potential for resources. The ocean floor is rich in minerals and other materials that could prove valuable in the future. As we continue to deplete resources on land, the ocean could become an increasingly important source of raw materials. In short, the ocean is a vast, unexplored frontier right here on our doorstep. It's a world teeming with life, rich in resources and integral to our planet's health. So while we set our sights on Mars and beyond, let's not forget about the depths beneath us. The ocean, though not NASA's primary interest, remains a crucial area of exploration for humanity. So, to answer the question of why NASA stopped exploring the ocean, we began with a question, and through our journey, we've discovered that NASA indeed shifted its focus from the ocean to the cosmos. NASA, originally vested in oceanographic studies, found itself drawn to the stars for a multitude of reasons. The allure of outer space, the race for technological superiority during the Cold War era, and the aspiration to understand our place in the universe were among the key factors that led to this pivot. However, let's not forget that our planet's oceans remain a vast, largely uncharted territory. Despite NASA's change in course, the importance and necessity of ocean exploration persist. Our seas continue to hold secrets about our planet's past, present, and future, offering valuable insights into climate change, biodiversity, and even potential resources. While NASA may have turned their eyes skyward, the exploration of our own blue planet continues as mysterious and important as ever.